Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
To replace your car radio, you must first turn your engine off. With a thin flathead screwdriver, gradually lift off the plastic protection covers for the screws on the radio set. Remove the holding screws of the radio set with a Torx 25 screwdriver. Then slide the radio out. To begin with, remove the antenna cable. To do this, simply pull on the connection. Remove the black and white connections by pushing on the plastic tab. If you need to, you can do this with a screwdriver. Then, simultaneously, pull on each of them. Put the ISO adapter in place to power the new radio. To do this, insert the original connections of the vehicle in the male ports on the adapter. Put the rack provided in place with the new radio, slipping the wires inside beforehand. Once the rack has been properly placed into its compartment, lock it in place with a flathead screwdriver and push down all the metal tabs. Make sure to fold each tab so that the rack is perfectly fixed in place. Reconnect the power supply to the radio set. Insert the antenna adapter into the new radio set, then connect the antenna cable. Slide the radio into position, but don't align it fully in place just yet. Turn on the ignition to check that the radio is working correctly before fully fixing it in place. Operation completed.